Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a stroller review. Got my props ready in the background on the Phil and Ted's Voyager double stroller. So today I'm going to go ahead and just give you a full review of this stroller and my pros and cons for it. And yeah, sorry I haven't been here for a while. It's hard when you've got 3 kids. Life is crazy, and yeah, sometimes you don't have time to do things. But I'm here and I'm gonna be making a video, so I'm very proud of myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys around the stroller. So they're already starting to fuss, but I wanted them as props just for the time being. But anyways, this stroller can go in all different directions. I'll show you like little video clips of them in all the different directions that it can go in. But I'm going to talk about all of the like features that this stroller has. First of all, it's very, very light. That's one thing that we love the most when we're like going out for like dinner or just going and walking around the mall. It's just really light and it's not a hassle to take out of your car, and it folds up very nicely even with like the stroller attachment on it. So it's nice too because it's got this like lock right here, so when you are putting it back into your car you can just like lock it up easy. So it also has a really large storage compartment right there at the bottom. And it has this little band on it, I think just for like safety purposes, just so that the stroller doesn't go away from you. They also come with these like bars, safety bars for them. You can also, I think, get attachments for like a tray for them to eat, but I'm not 100% sure. Another feature that it has is they can recline. That scared her. They can recline. So if you have like a new baby, you can recline it. Or you can just, she's freaking out. Or you can use their, like universal thing so you can like actually latch in the car seat. I'm gonna have to take the babies out so they can crawl around. Just 1 sec. Before I do that, I'm gonna hurry and show you guys another feature that I love on this. It's a 4-point harness and it unbuckles super quick and easy. You just press the button and it opens. You can also do this and tighten and loosen however you want, but it's really quick. Let me take her out. Okay, they're out and moving around. They're much better. Okay, so another feature that it has is these removable like seats that you can take out and wash, which I really, really like, especially if they get super dirty. They're just super easy to pop in and wash. Another feature that it has is this sunshade, which, yeah, it's nice until you see this zipper right here. You unzip and it extends. So look how amazing that is. That's one thing that we love so much because the sun does not get in their face nearly as much as it would in like a normal stroller. So I love that. And anyways, so yeah. So we've got the 4-point harness that goes on right here, and I just showed you how that works. It's super easy to press. Like the whole thing is just very, very easy and lightweight. So let me just switch the directions. So here's one way that it can go. Okay, here's another way that it can go. This is the way that I really like with my toddler, just because it's kind of more like a wagon. My toddler sits here, and I feel like he has more leg room this way. Here's another direction they can sit. This is like the wagon style. You can also adjust these really easy too. So like if you do have a longer child, you can do that. Or if you need more room, you can push it backwards. So yeah, that's adjustable. Okay, there's another direction. So I think I did all forward. Staggering, you can do, I'll do another way too. Here's another one. To make it more like aesthetically pleasing, you can like remove those. And yeah, I'm out of breath. And they are actually holding the universal car seat attachments. So I like those, but there's kind of a con to them. I like car seat attachments where I can just like hook my car seat in. Where I can just like hook my car seat in. These you kind of like have to buckle in the side, so it kind of bothers me. but we make do. They're kind of to the point where we're not even really using their car seats anymore. We just like take them out of their car seats and then just put them in here now. So it's whatever, but yeah, so I'm pretty sure I hit all of the key parts where like this whole thing is, and all the directions that they go. There's so many like endless options, but it's nice. And there's some pinchers right here. Press them and it folds right up. And then on the side, there's like a little thing that snaps it all into place. And there you go. So I would definitely say pros for me are like the 4-point harness. Hi, sweetie. I love the 4-point harness. I like how easy the brake is to push with my foot. I don't know if I showed you, but there's like a brake right there and it's super easy to press. I don't like the universal car seat attachments, but that's kind of what you have to deal with when you don't really, there's not very many options. Did you take your bow off, sissy? And yeah, I love, my favorite thing probably is the sunshades, how far it goes down and protects their faces. So that's nice. I do love this stroller. It is very nice for like going shopping and stuff like that. Very lightweight, especially if you're by yourself and you don't have your spouse with you. Yeah, I really like it. I do prefer like an actual jogger stroller when I am going for a jog, just because I feel like they're so like heavy and they like glide for some reason. This is like so lightweight that it kind of scares me sometimes when I'm running, but it is an awesome stroller. So yeah, I'll link it in the description box if you guys are interested. And yeah, check out Phil and Ted's. They make some really awesome strollers. They also make other products as well you can check out on their website. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.